Should I leave you alone?
Oh no, I was going to say it. I was going to do an OBS speedrun. Come on in, everyone. We have legends here. The EposVox. Say hi, everyone.
Hi. Delivery.
I'm going to do an OBS speedrun, but what should I do? I need a challenge.
You need a challenge.
Do you guys want to set me the challenge? And then in an hour, I have to try and complete an OBS speedrun. I'm here rotating this like very small knob. There are jokes there to be made.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, make them.
Look who it is! It's the stream professor. Would you like to sit down? Oh, you had your stream yesterday, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, look, it's EposVox. Yeah. We did the panel okay. Together yesterday.
It turns out, when you're doing professional broadcasting, you run into all the same problems you do with personal broadcasting. Makes me feel a lot better. Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh my. It's crazy. I like even though I have all this shit, we're doing a decent job in my opinion, but I could be biased. So it got, hey, oh my God, Epos!
What's up?
Fucker! Oh my God, dude, I'm gonna meet Nutty.
Yeah.
Is he at the Elgato thing?
Yeah, he's right there.
He's streaming?
No,
oh,
literally just standing there.
Oh, he said he's gonna stream.
Yeah, he will in like 15.
I'm streaming.
Yeah, I see that.
And do you see this effect going on right now? No, it's me in front of you,
yeah.
but also showing me with no green screen.
I know.
Is that an offer?
I don't even know what I'm doing. Are you streaming yet?
I got to stream in here.
Are there any particular production projects or aspects? You mentioned the cameras, but for you all that you're like particularly proud of that is like unique to your channel?
For me, early on, it was my audio quality. Having had a little bit of a radio background, it killed me how many live streams at the time were just like headset mics or, you know, really cheap, not to name any specific brands here, microphones that were really common, and then either would be set across the desk where all you hear is PC fans and them shouting, or like they'd eat it and you'd hear all the mouth sounds and the static and everything. And so, like, understanding why things were set up a certain way in the radio booth,
Sorry, you were saying, my bad.
It was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. We were creeping on people with the PTZ camera up there. That's why I put all these in there. Yeah. Oh, and I did mess with like all of these things. So that's why like the side by side is now this.
Yeah.
Whoa. And so we can move around and wait. I think I saw EposVox.
Did you see this yet?
What the?
There's EposVox. Hold on.
Oh,
I feel like I shouldn't be doing this.
Zoom in on him, yes! This is a thumbnail right here. That's the thumbnail right here.
It keeps going, it keeps going.
Someone message him.
Shout out to
Someone clip this and tweet it at him.
Oh my god.
Wait, everyone point at him. Wait.
I don't know why it's cutting like, there we go.
No, that way. Ooh. Point at him.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, wow.
Oh yeah, it's not done.
Real flattered.
It keeps going.
Okay.
It keeps going.
Thanks.
Keep going, still going.
Yeah, they're gonna make some fan edits of that one.
Yep.
There's gonna be some velocity edits. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got somebody on the scene already. They're on the job.
And then we're getting a thumbnail picture.
Oh my god. Nice.
How are you
What's
doing,
up, Gabe?
What's going on, yo?
Everybody say, hey, Gabe.
No, that's Jasmine.
Oh,
No, I'm Jasmine.
oh yeah, hey, Jasmine.
Come here, Gabe, come here.
Go
This is
on, Gabe. Go on, Gabe.
Oh, Gabe, there you are. I was looking all over
Gabe.
for you.
This is Gabe.
Holy.
Right here.
We got 5 in here now.
This is
Whoa.
packed.
If we can get 5 people in the next 2 minutes to sub to EposVox, we'll give away another Wave Mic Arm Pro today.
That's EposVox. EposVox.
5 people sub to EposVox, not us.
I've done something terrible. I've made a mistake. I've made a mistake, guys.
Someone shout him out.
Yo,
Shout
any
Pop
streamers in the chat here though, this is advice for y'all. Like,
I'm waiting.
there's no shame in just reminding people that the Prime sub exists. I'm just saying, it works. Man, I can't wait for the HR meeting after this one. I'm in big trouble, guys. So,
Just to be clear,
no.
for legal purposes, I was pulled into the booth. None of this was. Yeah. This is a lot easier having like a hype squad. Where were y'all this morning?
Hype. Can we get some hypes in chat?
Never mind,
for
not
Epos?
easy.
Some hypes in chat. Some
Hypes
hearts in
for
chat for Epos. Come on, we're gonna make him blush. We're gonna make him blush.
Shout out to iLady, Vic, Padbay, Kino84, Nathan Gamer Plays, and Larry Darren.
Woo! Do you want a Wave Mic Arm Pro? Or do you want this paper signed by Harris Heller and EposVox? There's only one right answer here.
Yeah.
He really needs a mic arm because this is broken for over 5 months. But do you choose the paper or the mic arm? Chat is gonna judge you. What do you pick? Let us know.
Boy.